102 Many animals are being hunted to the brink of extinction in order to fulfill the demand and greed of mankind for decorative purposes as well as for other reasons, such as traditional medicine. How can this issue be tackled? The alarming trend of animals being hunted to the brink of extinction for decorative purposes, traditional medicine, and other reasons underscores the urgent need for comprehensive and global efforts to tackle this issue. Addressing the root causes involves a combination of legal measures, conservation initiatives, and public awareness campaigns. Firstly, governments play a pivotal role in combating illegal hunting by strengthening and enforcing wildlife protection laws. Implementing strict penalties for poaching and trafficking, as well as increasing surveillance and law enforcement in vulnerable areas, can act as deterrents. Collaborative efforts between nations to combat cross-border wildlife crime are crucial, emphasizing the need for international cooperation and agreements. Conservation initiatives aimed at protecting endangered species and their habitats are fundamental. Establishing and maintaining wildlife sanctuaries, reserves, and protected areas provide safe havens for threatened species. Habitat restoration projects can contribute to creating sustainable environments for animals to thrive. Additionally, investing in research to understand the ecological dynamics of endangered species is essential for informed conservation strategies. Public awareness and education play a vital role in changing societal attitudes toward wildlife. Promoting the value of biodiversity and the importance of preserving ecosystems can foster a sense of responsibility among communities. Campaigns that highlight the consequences of illegal hunting, such as the loss of biodiversity and disruptions to ecosystems, can garner support for wildlife conservation efforts. Engaging local communities in conservation initiatives is crucial for the long-term success of preservation efforts. Providing alternative livelihoods that are compatible with wildlife conservation, such as ecotourism or sustainable agriculture, can alleviate economic pressures that drive illegal hunting. Collaborating with indigenous communities, who often have traditional knowledge about coexisting with wildlife, can contribute to effective conservation strategies. International collaboration is essential in addressing the demand for wildlife products. Governments and organizations should work together to raise awareness about the consequences of the exotic pet trade, traditional medicine practices, and the use of animal parts for decorative purposes. Diplomatic efforts to curb the demand and regulate the trade of endangered species globally can contribute to reducing the pressure on wildlife populations. In conclusion, tackling the issue of animals being hunted to the brink of extinction requires a multifaceted and collaborative approach. Legal measures, conservation initiatives, public awareness campaigns, community engagement, and international cooperation are all integral components of a comprehensive strategy to protect endangered species and preserve the biodiversity essential for the health of our planet.